Welcome back to the Reload Bench. Last year I did a video about Midway USA's birthday pricing. If you disclose your birth date when you set up your online account with Midway USA, they will send you an email with a special discount code. You have a 2-week window to use this code, and it's only good for one order. More or less, a week before your birthday and a week after your birthday is your window to get that discounted price on some of the items on their website. Not everything is discounted. You kind of have to shop around to see if you're getting a deal. In some cases, it's a pretty substantial discount. Now, when I did the order this time around, I had everything in my cart, but I wasn't sure if I had everything I wanted, so I kind of held off. So when I closed out, there was a $2 shipping fee for the order. The next day, Midway USA sent out an announcement that they were having free shipping on all orders over $49. So when I went to my cart, shipping was free. If you hold out and wait for the free shipping, which comes up from time to time, you run the risk of the item in your cart being out of stock and it's not available. So that's just a chance you have to take. So let me get this box open. I'll show you the items and I'll talk about the regular price versus the discount price. Alright, as usual, we'll get out the buck knife, get the box open. It came in intact in one piece. You can see it's just a sturdy single wall cardboard box. They had plenty of these bubble packs in here, these green bubble packs. Lots of them. And everything is packed in here and it's nice and organized. Now I wrote down the pricing, so just bear with me as I read it off. So we'll go ahead and start with the reload dies. This is probably the main reason I had placed the order was I needed some more reload dies as we have some new calibers in the house. So we'll start with the 7.7 Japanese. This one is normally $33.99. Right now it's on sale on the Midway website for $29.99, and I got it for $28.46. We've got the Lee 380 Auto. Now this is the deluxe 4-die set. And normally the price is $55.99. Right now it's on sale at Midway USA for $50.39, and I got it for $47.66. Then we have the 450 Bushmaster, which I forgot to write down the normal price on it, but I got it for $37.75. Great prep for the video, right? That's what captions are for. Now here is the 6.5 Carcano Pacesetter Die Set. There's only 2 dies in this. And normal pricing is $33.99. It's on sale right now at Midway USA for $29.99. I got it for $28.46. This is a Lee 4-die case. This is just an empty case. It's kind of like a spare part if I break a case or if I start to put some dies together and make up a second set of dies. This is normally $5.29 and I got it for $4.24. This is an RCBS 3-die case. And I didn't write down the normal price on that either, but once again, that's what captions are for. I paid $4.60 for it. And this is the Forster 3-die case. I don't have very much from Forster yet, but I thought I would just go ahead and get their case. It's red here with their company name embossed in the top there, and you can see these are for some really long dies. This is a big case, but eventually I will have some more Forster products, so I thought I'd go ahead and get that. And once again, I've got to use a caption for the normal price, but my birthday price was $5.43. Okay, another thing from Forster products, something I didn't know they made and not really too sure if I'll use them, but I'm looking at these as spare parts. These are Arisaka trigger guard screws. It's a pair of trigger guard screws, and they're normally $6.99. I got them for $4.71. You see, just 2 screws right there. Spare parts. Also for 7.7 Japanese, I got some snap caps. A pair of snap caps here. Normally $17.49. I got them for $11. It's a pretty good deal. Now this is a Lee 7.7 by 58 Japanese quick trim die, and this is normally $16.99. I got it for $12.38. This is also from Lee. This is a 6.5 Carcano factory crimp die. Doesn't come in the Pacesetter Die Set. This is normally $16.99. Right now it's on sale for $15.29. I got it for $12.38. Something else in here that I got substantial savings on. I bought some Norma 7.7, 174 grain soft point. These are normally $68.99 for 20 rounds. I got them for $42.35 each, so I got 2 boxes. That's some substantial savings right there. These are Polish MP4 gas mask filters. Normally $7.99 for the pair. I got them for $2.74. Lehigh Defense. These are 50 of their extreme penetrator bullets for reloading 380 ACP. These are 90 grain bullets. Normally $43.49. I got them for $32.34. Here's some more for reloading 380. These are 100 grain full metal jacket Hornady, and these are normally $17.99 for 100. I got them for $11.72, so I got 2 boxes of them. The next is Centerfire. These are frangible bullets for reloading 380 ACP. These are 75 grain frangible bullets. I believe these are 100. Yes, this is a 100 pack. Normally $22.99. Right now on sale for $13.79. Birthday pricing was $15.73. Yeah, that's right. See, you don't always get the best deal on birthday pricing. So you might want to check around. Sometimes the sale price will beat it, or sometimes they have some items, like I was going to get 7.62 by 25 Tokarev ammunition. There was no discount. There was no birthday pricing on it. So you have to do your shopping around with Midway USA to maximize your discount. Now here is a Redding shell holder for 6.5 Carcano. This is their number 24 shell holder. Normally $13.99. I got it for $7.73. And then the last item I have in here are just some 55 grain full metal jacket boat tail bullets for reloading 223 5.56, and these are normally $14.99 for 100. I got them for $11.05. So that just gives you an example of what sort of pricing to expect if you take advantage of the offer that Midway USA will offer you once a year. Hopefully I've got another birthday pricing video next year where I can share some other savings, and hopefully that helps somebody out if they're making a decision on whether or not they want to place an order right around their birthday. Thanks for watching.